Hey everyone, in this video we will see how to add money from Cash App to Chime. Instant transfer guide step by step. Method first, instant transfer using your Chime debit card. Open the Cash App, then tap the profile icon. Select it Blinks Bank. Then tap link debit card, then enter your Chime Visa debit card detail and save them. Go back and tap the money tab. Then tap cash out. Enter the amount you want to transfer. Choose instant, then confirm the transfer with your cash pin or face ID. Wait a few minutes for the money to appear in your Chime account. Note: link your Chime debit card before using cash out or the instant option may not appear. Second method is free standard transfer using your Chime bank account. Open the Cash app, then tap the profile icon. Select linked bank, then tap link bank. Sign in through Plaid or enter your Chime routing and account number, then save the bank detail. Then go back and tap the money tab. Tap cash out, then enter the amount you want to transfer. Choose standard, then wait 1 to 3 business days for the money to arrive in your Chime account. Thanks for watching.